How to get fruit stains out from carpet. When it comes to carpet cleaning, one of the most difficult types to remove is those made by fruit juices. Fortunately, there are a few effective methods you can use to get rid of these stains for good. How to get orange juice out from carpet. 1. Blot up as much of the spill as you can. Use a clean cloth or paper towel. 2. Mix a solution of 1 part water and 1 part white vinegar. 3. Soak a clean cloth in the solution and then blot it over the stain. 4. Repeat this process until the stain is gone. 5. Rinse the area with clean water and then blot it dry. How to get apple juice stains out from carpet. 1. Begin by blotting up as much of the apple juice as you can with a clean cloth or rag. Be sure to blot and not rub, as rubbing will only spread the stain. 2. Apply the solution of white vinegar with dish soap to the stain, being sure to saturate it. Allow the solution to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Blot the stain again with a clean cloth or rag. 4. Make a paste of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, and apply it to the stain. Allow the paste to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. 5. Blot the stain again, and then vacuum over it to absorb any remaining moisture. How to get pineapple stains out from carpet. Step 1. Blot the stain with a clean white cloth or paper towel to remove as much of the pineapple juice as possible. Avoid scrubbing the stain as this will only spread it further into the carpet. Step 2. In a bowl, mix the above supplies with warm water. Step 3. Pour the mixture over the pineapple stain and allow it to sit for several minutes. Step 4. Blot the stain again with a clean white cloth or paper towel to remove the cleaning solution. Step 5. Rinse the area with warm water to remove any remaining residue. Step 6. Allow the area to dry completely. To learn more, please visit our website for detailed information or call us now at +65 6844 3164.